This video is sponsored by the brand Homgava.
So I got the foldable wagon from Homgava. In this video, I'm going to go over some of the top questions I was seeing, answer those for you, and hopefully help you out with your purchase. Questions I was seeing is how easy is this to fold and unfold when you're taking it out of your trunk or storage? Second question I was seeing is this removable? And by this, I mean kind of like the inner lining of it when you put it in there. So if you bring it to the beach afterwards, can you wash it? And then the third question was, are the wheels lockable? So like I said, I'm going to go over all those for you. Hopefully help you out with your purchase. Let's get in the first question. How easy is it to unfold and fold? So super easy. So the liner you can easily take off and actually can be wrapped around. Personally, I don't wrap it around. I just find it's easier to take it off, fold it, put it in my car. Saves me a little bit of time. But if you want to put it all together, all you got to do is wrap it around like this. You can Velcro it and you'll be good to go. But to unfold it is super, super easy. So kind of it's coming out of your trunk right now. Just got to push down the middle of it. Put your liner in. Just like that, this thing is ready to go. That simple, so you can get it ready, rolling in about 10 seconds. It really, really is that easy. And now for the second question, this inner liner, can you take it out and wash it? Yes. So it is just popped on here with two rubber things. You just got to pop off all four corners. The bottom is going to be some Velcro. You can take it off, throw it in your washing machine. So if you do bring it, to softball and it gets dirty, or to the beach or whatever, you want to wash it afterwards, you take it off, throw it in your washer, and you're good to go. And now for the final question, are the wheels lockable? So yeah, they're lockable, super easy. So you can see here, flipping them around, just got to push those down on both sides and they will lock into place. Just like that, your wheels are locked, so they're not going anywhere. So overall, this wagon does its job exactly as it should. Personally, I use it in softball. As you saw there, I got a video going in the corner where I kind of show you how I pack it and roll it around in different type of terrains. It works awesome for me. Super easy to assemble, great and easy to put away as well. So I'm loving this. I give it 2 thumbs up.